All right, so Max Chanel, what are you even talking about? Is there something you need to know? I mean, you were talking about this event, but I don't know which. Well, I have some event I want to race. And it's gonna be between me, you, and Lightning McQueen only. Wait, why us only? Well, there's the only really real paint jobs we ever race on, and the other cars don't have theirs yet, so you can't use them. But this will be the Carbon Racers event, where we will be racing across all of Radiator Springs, and therefore we will be seeing which one of these cars are the best carbon racers of them all. Besides the rest, but still we don't have them. Huh, okay, that seems pretty good. I'll go get mine ready. Yeah, okay, you get yours. I'll go get Lightning. Well. The Carbon Racers event. It's time for me to roll that one perfectly. Okay, it's time for Meta Lightning to get ready for his brand new form. So, let's see how it's gonna look like. Yeah, I can't wait for it. Okay, I'm ready to go and defeat all those stupid ass cars, especially Lightning. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Well, okay then. Yeah, I'll get the rest of the gear ready. Uh-huh. Yep. Yeah. All right, Lightning. You ready to race now, or what? Oh yeah. Raul, Saul, ha ha. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. I am Speed. And I am ready to kill.